Internet terms. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages that provide information. It is like a book that contains many pages. World Wide Web. World Wide Web, WWW, is the largest collection of information in the form of websites on the Internet. Web page. Web page is a part of a website. It contains text, pictures, sounds, videos, animations, etc. It is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the Internet. Home page. The main page or the first page of any website is called its home page. Web browser. We get information from different websites. These websites open in a special software known as a web browser. Some of the most commonly used web browsers are
Microsoft Edge,
Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome.